Unplug the Ordinary. Smart Plugs Explained. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that is turning heads in the world of technology and home automation. Smart plugs. These nifty gadgets may look ordinary, but they are packed with features that bring the future to your doorstep. Whether you're an English language learner or just curious about smart home tech, you're in the right place to learn all about them. A smart plug is a device that you can insert into a traditional electrical outlet. It is called smart because it can connect to the internet, allowing you to control it remotely via apps on your smartphone or tablet. Imagine being able to turn on your coffee maker from your bed with just a few taps on your screen. That's the convenience smart plugs offer. Smart plugs are equipped with wireless technologies such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, or even Zigbee. Once you plug them into an outlet and connect them to your home network, you can control the power going to any appliance that's plugged into them. You can schedule when to turn your devices on or off, check whether you left something on by mistake, and even monitor energy usage, all of which can be done from anywhere with an internet connection. Understanding the language surrounding smart plugs is key to maximizing their potential. Terms like automation, remote access, energy consumption, and smart home ecosystem are commonly used. Additionally, phrases like voice control compatibility and app integration are important, as they relate to how these plugs often work with voice assistants like Alexa or Google Assistant and various home automation apps. Here, let's explore the practical uses of smart plugs. They can make any home appliance, from lamps to fans, smart. For instance, you can set a lamp to turn on at sunset daily or have a heater start warming up your room before you arrive home. Smart plugs are not just about convenience. They also help with saving energy and reducing electricity bills. Installing a smart plug is generally straightforward. You plug it in and set it up using the manufacturer's app. However, it's important to follow safety guidelines. Always ensure your smart plug is compatible with your device's power requirements and that it's not overloaded. Additionally, keeping your home network secure is vital since smart plugs can be vulnerable to hacking if your network is not protected. And that wraps up our talk on smart plugs. We hope this video has illuminated how these devices can make life more efficient and your home smarter. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future is just a plug away. Stay plugged in for more videos on how technology intersects with everyday life. See you next time.